Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code LC-208 in Overwatch 2. So the first thing what we need to do here, we need to see that Overwatch servers is not down. So you need to go to downthetexture.com, and here you need to write Overwatch 2, and you need to see how many reports is basically currently on Overwatch 2 on this site. As you can see here, there is not a lot. If it's not hundreds reports here, probably servers are good here. And what you can do here next is you can basically change regions. So if you play in Europe, you can change to America, restart everything, and see if you're getting the error or not. And if the problem persists, then we need to see if Windows Defender Firewall is not blocking Overwatch 2. And to do so, we just need to search Windows Defender Firewall here. You need to press on that, and then go allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. And here you need to press change settings, and then allow another app, press browse. And then you need to go to disk where you save the game. Probably it will be on the disk C, then program files x86, and then you need to look for Overwatch, and then add this launcher here. Add, and press OK, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.